Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. Saem Tariq. Today we'll be solving November 2023 P4. I have solved the previous parts before, but we'll be solving the JavaScript for part today. So, open tree height.html in the web browser. So we have the angle of inclination, the distance from the tree, eye height of the viewer, and how to calculate the height of the tree. We have to multiply the angle factor, so don't confuse the angle factor with the angle of inclination. They're different. The distance from the tree and plus the eye height. So they have been provided with three text boxes where we can enter the degree, the distance from the tree, and the eye height of the viewer. We click on the button and we want the answer to be displayed here. Okay, so they have told us that this is the way we can calculate. The value of the angle factor has been provided in the JavaScript file. Okay, so if we look over here, this is what has been provided to us, function calculate, and this actually has already been provided to us. So this is again has been provided to us. These are the three text boxes. I would just like you to have a look that the name of the text boxes are what? The first text box, actually, this one is named as what? So the first one has been named as the angle, then we have the distance, and then we have the view height. Okay, and then we have a placeholder by the name of tree height result, where the answer will be displayed in H3 font size. And we have a button that will call the function calculate over here. So how have we done this? We've actually used a very simple method over here. What I've done is that I've made a function calculate, and this has been provided to us already, the angle factor. We have another variable, distance, which uses parseflow to convert this into a value. So it gets the value from the distance text box. It gets the value from the view height text box. So we have now these values. Later on, we use another variable, h, and we use it to calculate the height by the following formula provided by the examiner. And then later on, what we do is we simply, we don't need this actually, it's being displayed twice. We simply use over here get ln by id to display the result of h into the placeholder tree height result. So the value of h is assigned to this. So obviously, when we enter over here some values, such as we enter over here is 25, 4, and 1.8. This is how we get the answer. Hopefully get the point. If there's any question, please mention in the comment box.